On question number 20, we're also trying to find the measure of each angle inside the figure. So this is a quadrilateral, which means the sum of all of the angles has to equal 360 degrees. So I know that 89 plus 51, so those are two of my angles, plus 5x minus 8 plus 3x plus 4, those are my other two angles. If I add them all up, they have to equal 360. So if we combine like terms, 5x and 3x is 8x. If we add the numbers, 89 plus 51 minus 8 plus 4, that is 136. So I want to subtract 136 from both sides. And we get 8x is equal to 224. And then divide 224 by 8, and we get x is equal to 28. So again, they want the measurement of each angle. So we already know the 89, and we already know the 51 because they gave that to us. So then we just need to plug in 28 into 5 times 28 minus 8, and then 3 times 28 plus 4. So the first one is going to be 132, and then the second one is going to be 88. So those are our four angles.